and you will get to try free Korean makeup and skincare products. I do all the research and everything. You can select 2 products worth 2000 rupees each from their collection. You will also get invites to their meetups and events, and you'll also get free products from their website. Hi guys, this is Anshika and I'm back with another video, and this video is going to be your favorite kind of video because I'm going to tell you names of some brands that are running their campus ambassador programs. And if you don't already know what campus ambassador programs are, I'm going to tell you everything today. So there are some brands who run these campaigns or campus ambassador programs to basically create awareness about their brands, ताकि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों को पता चले उनके brand के बारे में. And these campaigns are mostly for college students who are also creators on Instagram because उनके पास एक अच्छी community होती है in their colleges and on Instagram as well. In these campaigns, brands offer you a fixed amount of voucher or a fixed amount of stipend in exchange of some deliverables, and deliverables can be anything including reels, posts, stories, etc. और ये campaigns monthly basis पे होते हैं. So for example, there is a brand called Pizza Hut and उनका 2 months का campaign है in which they are offering you a voucher of 1000 rupees every month for 2 months, and that you can spend on their website or in their outlet as well. And with that, they are also offering you a stipend of rupees 4000 for 2 months. In exchange of that, you will have to give them 2 reels. So basically you will get the voucher and the amount of the stipend, and you have to create 2 reels for them. So yeah, this is how everything works. I hope you got it, and I've already made a part 1 of this video a few months back. You can check that video as well. उसमें भी मैंने 10 brands बताई थी. And today again I have 10 brands for you to apply for their campaigns, and you do not have to do anything. I do all the research and everything. All you have to do is just subscribe to the channel, because more than 90% of the people who watch my videos haven't subscribed to my channel yet. I mean, nobody else is going to give you a full list of brands like I do. So yeah, consider subscribing. It would really mean a lot. Now let's start with today's video. So the first brand is called Show Off Clothing. It's a clothing brand obviously, and for me it was a really new brand to be heard of. And they are running their campus ambassador programs for content creators who are students as well. And they want you to promote their brand, create content for them, and also build a community of fashion lovers. And they are offering you quite a lot of things. Actually, I might look down a few times because I have written down everything so that I don't forget the details. So yeah, first of all, you will get a chance to earn up to 3000 rupees every month, and you'll also get free products from their website. And they will also give you free products and vouchers for you to give them away in your college to your friends or anyone. That's really cool. Next up, you will get a certificate and a letter of recommendation, and you will also get a chance to get an internship in their company. That's again really cool. Lastly, you will get to host a party with your friends, and all of that will be on them. They haven't mentioned anything about the deliverables in the form, so I guess it will be revealed once you're onboarded. But I think it's a really great opportunity for you if you're a fashion creator. You should definitely apply for this campaign. And I also have a tip for you guys. So you should always apply for campaigns in your niche. So for example, if you're a beauty creator, you should not apply for fashion campaigns because fashion brands won't be interested in onboarding you, because that's obvious. They need fashion creators to create content for them. And same goes with fashion creators. Do not apply for beauty campaigns if you're not from that niche, because it's of no use honestly, as you'll not be selected and eventually you will get demotivated. Next one, it's Little Box, and I love working with them a lot. It's always been a great time, and we have worked together 2 or 3 times I guess, and my experience has been really good every single time. The details of their campaign are: you can select 2 products worth 2000 rupees each from their collection, and you have to create 3 reels, 2 static posts and a few stories, and you'll also be able to generate a commission of 10% every time someone buys from your affiliate link. And to move forward to next month, you will have to generate a certain amount of commission. Basically, आप जब तक सेल्स जनरेट कर पा रहे हो तब तक आप इस कैंपेन के पार्ट रह सकते हो, एंड अगर आप सेल्स जनरेट नहीं करोगे तो यू विल बी ड्रॉप्ड ऑफ. But at least you can try, and I don't know the exact amount of commissions that you have to generate to be a part of it. Next up, it's Spoiled by Flipkart, and इस particular campaign के लिए मेरे को इतनी request आई थी, मेरे से इतने लोगों ने पूछा था, so I had to include it. I have worked with them and my experience was honestly really good. I enjoyed working with them a lot. The details of this campaign are: so first of all, you will receive a voucher of rupees 5000 that you can use to shop anything from Spoil, and you will also get a theme. तो आपको उस theme के according ही shop करना है, and उस theme के according ही आपको content भी shoot करना है. The deliverables part is so simple. You just have to give 1 reel and 1 story. That's it. Next up, it's again a clothing brand, and it's called Freya. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. So this is a brand that is available only in US and in India. Their collection is honestly so good, and they've also launched their influencer program in which the deliverables are a story, a reel and a few pictures, and they will be offering you 3 products from their website. And I think you really need a high quality profile to get selected, because if you see, all the creators that I've worked with have created really good quality content. There's a minimum follower criteria as well, so you need to have at least 2000 followers to get selected. The next brand is called YesStyle, and this one is the most interesting campaign because YesStyle is an international brand, so it's really great to work with them. And you will get to try free Korean makeup and skincare products, so that's great. They also have clothes, but they mostly send makeup and skincare products only. To work with them, all you have to do is just apply for the program, and if you're selected, you will receive an email, and फिर आप उनके ऐप में जाके you will get a list of products every month. You can select the one that you want, and जो product आपने select किया, you can add it to the bag, और आपको amount उसका 0 दिखाएगा. So basically it's for free. सिर्फ आपको shipping का amount अभी भी show हो रहा होगा, but don't worry, you will receive a code in your email. And once you apply the code, वो shipping का amount भी 0 हो जाएगा. So all of it is for free. But this code is only given to first few influencers. तो make sure आप इस campaign के लिए जल्दी से apply कर दो. For the forms, you can DM me on Instagram and I will share all the form links with you. The deliverable of this campaign is just one reel. तो आपको उस product को try करके उसका review reel kind of post करना है, and that's basically it. You will also receive a personalized coupon code that you can share with your followers, and every time someone buys from your affiliate link, you will also receive some amount of commission. I would highly recommend you to apply for this campaign because you will get to try some amazing Korean makeup, skincare and clothes as well. For the next brand, I haven't worked with them yet, but I got this information from a fellow creator. So if you are selected for their program, you can shop anything from their website worth rupees 2000, and you will have to give them a reel and a story, and you will also receive some amount of commission if someone buys from your affiliate link. And yeah, that's it. The next brand is Freakins, and I have worked with them once and my experience was amazing. You only have to post one reel in exchange of 3 products from their website, and I don't think there's an affiliate link or commission kind of a thing in this program. You only get 3 products, so basically it's on barter basis. They usually give a script for the content, so उसके accordingly आपको reel shoot करनी होती है. It's either a talking reel or a voiceover reel. You should definitely consider applying for this one if you are a fashion creator, because again their collection is amazing. Next up, it's Vivo, and again I haven't worked with them, but I got the details from a fellow creator, and it's mandatory for you to be a college student to apply for this campaign, and the payout is rupees 4000 per month, and this campaign is for 3 months, so in total you will get rupees 12,000, and you will also receive a Vivo phone to create content that you obviously have to return after the campaign ends, and they will also make you sign a contract before onboarding you. The deliverables are 3 to 4 reels and a lot of stories per month, and I think the deliverables are a bit too much, but it totally depends upon you if you want to work with them. Next one, it's Mrucha Beauty. We all know that Nunu has launched her own makeup brand called Mrucha Beauty. They were also onboarding creators and influencers for their PR squad, but they've already selected a few creators and influencers for their first campaign. But if you want to apply for the next one, you will have to wait until they roll out forms for their upcoming campaigns. And do not forget to follow me on Instagram, and also keep checking my community post on YouTube, because I keep posting the forms of the campaigns that I get to know about. The last one is Dr. Shades. It's a skincare brand, and they're also running a campaign for female beauty and skincare creators. The minimum followers should be 2000 on Instagram to apply for this campaign, and you will get products worth rupees 2 to 3000 every month with a discount code that you can share with your followers. You will also get invites to their meetups and events, and lastly you will get a letter of recommendation and a certificate towards the end of the program. The deliverables of this campaign are 2 reels and 3 stories every month. These were the 10 brands who are running their campus ambassador programs, and you can apply for them. For the forms, you can DM me on Instagram and I will send you all the form links. Also, don't forget to watch the first part of this video if you haven't already. Send this video to your creator friends who would want to apply for these programs. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.